Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss transaction. This is our second lecture on transaction. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to determine the amount of transaction, not transaction. You can identify the transaction with reason, and you can able to show the impact of transaction over accounting equation. Dear student, for this, for solving this problem, we will do a creative question. Dear student, this is a creative question. Dear student, we have take some transaction from Jabir Enterprise. Jabir Enterprise is a business organization. Following transaction took place in his business, and there are some transaction December 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, and 20. That means there are 6 transactions, 7 transactions here, dear student. Our requirement is calculate the total amount of those events which are not transaction, identify the transaction from event, explain the reason under equation method, and show the effect of the transaction on accounting equation in tabular or statement format. Dear student, these types of requirement may come in the exam. Dear student, let's come how we'll solve this problem. Dear student, at first we have to find the amount of not transaction. This is the box. There are 3 column: date, the transaction or not transaction will write, the event we have write here, the amount will write. Dear student, let's see the question. Dear student, look at started business with taka 5 lakhs. So this is a transaction. Dear student, all of you know that which one is transaction. Last class I have discussed a transaction should change the financial condition or should impact over accounting equation. So the event that change the financial condition, that is a transaction. So started business, here in the business money increases, so it is a transaction. Open a bank account depositing taka 50,000. Dear student, if you open account, our cash money decreases, that means financial condition change, so this is also a transaction. Good purchase on credit 25,000. Dear student, purchasing credit, that means our liability increase, so this is also a transaction. Then goods sold in cash, that means I have sold goods, so this is also a transaction because by selling goods our cash money increases. Now, December 10, the owner has taken loan from bank for personal purpose of 40,000. Dear student, this is also a transaction, but one thing, look at, this is for owner personal purpose. That means we are doing accounting here for business, not for owner. Dear student, last class we have told that there are some transaction related to business, there are some transaction related to owner. So here I am not doing accounting for owner, here we are doing accounting for business. So in the business what will happen, the owner has taken loan from bank for personal purpose. In the business no money comes in or no money goes out, that means there is no financial change by this transaction. So this is not a transaction, this is not a transaction. Dear student, let's see the answer. December 10, that means at first you have write the date, then you will write the owner has taken loan. Owner has taken loan, we are summarized here. You can write full transaction also, you can write this one also. Owner has taken loan, owner has taken loan. Owner has taken loan, so it is a not transaction, it is a not transaction because by this event there is no financial change occur in the organization. Then let's see the question there, if there is any other. Then December 15, order placed for buying furniture taka 45,000. This is an event, business event, we would like to buy furniture of 45,000, but just we have given order. Dear student, be careful, keep it in your mind, we are giving order only, there is no financial change. That means we did not receive the furniture or we did not pay any money also. So by this event there is no financial change occur yet, that's why this is not a transaction. I hope all of you understand which one is not transaction. Look at order placed for buying furniture 45,000, so total amount 40,000 plus 45,000, it is 85,000. The answer is 85,000, amount of not transaction. Dear student, very easy to get these 2 marks, just if you keep it in mind which one is not transaction, that means the event which will not change the financial condition of an organization, that will not be a transaction. So answer is 85,000. Now calculate the total amount of those events which identify the transaction from event, explain reason under equation method. That means which one is transaction, we have to write the reason. We have to write the reason. Dear student, in different way we can write the reason. Here I will show you one way how we can write the reason under equation method. Dear student, earlier already we have detected which one is not transaction. Now the transaction we have to write the reason. Number one, started business with taka 5 lakh. Started business with taka 5 lakh. By this time we have understood this is a transaction. Now we'll see that what is the reason. Look at started business. By this transaction our asset, you know that in accounting equation last class I have discussed, accounting equation means A equals to L plus E. That means asset, liability, equity. That means we have to write the reason that by this transaction which asset or equity or liability changes by this transaction. Dear student, look at in accounting equation A equals to L plus E. Here our asset increases because owner has given money, cash money is increases, our asset increases. On the other hand, who has given the money? Dear student, it is the owner. That's why owner's equity also increases. So asset increases and equity increases. Started business, here asset increases and equity increases. Dear student, now next transaction. Next transaction, look at the question. It is open a bank account by depositing taka 50,000. That means we have deposited some money into the bank. What is happening here? Dear student, by open a bank account, look at our asset increases. How? Dear student, if you deposit the money into the bank, that means your bank money increases. That means whatever money you deposit in the bank, your bank money increases. Bank will pay you later on. So this is a kind of current asset. On the other hand, your cash money, because cash in hand, earlier you have 50,000 in cash, that money decreases. So by opening in account in bank, our open account in bank account, our cash money increases. That means one asset increases, one asset increases, one asset increases, and another asset decreases. Another asset, one by asset, another asset decreases. One asset by opening account, our asset increases, and another asset will be decreases. Here I have to write asset decreases. Dear student, open a bank account. Here our one asset, cash asset is decreases and bank asset is increases. So open a bank account, our asset increases and asset decreases. Then good purchase on account on credit. Good purchase on credit. If we purchase goods on credit, what will happen? Our liability will increase because you purchase goods on credit. That means you will pay later on. Later on you will pay the money. So liability increases, and by good purchasing, what is happening? Our equity decreases. Our equity decreases. Our equity decreases. Our equity decreases. That means good purchase on credit, liability increases, and equity decreases. Our equity will good purchase on credit. Here our liability, because I have to pay the money, liability increases and equity decreases. Goods sold in cash. Here our cash account, our asset increases. Dear student, our asset will increases because I will receive the cash money, and our equity also increases because it is an income account. It is an income account. Last one, paid to creditors. By payment creditors, what will happen? Our liability decreases and asset also decreases. Our liability decreases and asset also decreases. Asset also decreases. Dear student, if I pay the creditors, I have to pay cash money. That means asset decreases and liability also decreases because I have paid to the creditors. Dear student, now last requirement, effect on transaction, effect of transaction on accounting equation, tabular format. Dear student, here the table is the main thing. Earlier I have discussed all the thing, which one will increase, which one will decrease. Thus table is the important. Date, you have to write asset, then liability, then equity, and here you have to write the name of asset, cash, bank, then liabilities, then equity. Equity means C plus R minus E minus D. Dear student, look at our cash increases. First transaction, started business, so asset, that means asset increase and equity increase. Look at asset, cash increases and equity also increases. Then second transaction, open a bank account. One asset increase, other asset decrease. Look at here, cash asset increases, decreases, and bank asset increases. Then Look at next transaction, good purchase on credit, liability increase and equity decrease. Look at liability increase, accounts payable increases and equity decreases because it is an expense. If there is expense, equity decrease. The next one, goods sold in cash, asset increase, equity also increase. Look at cash asset increases and equity also increases. And last transaction, paid to creditor, asset decrease, I have to pay, so asset decrease and liability also decrease. So asset decreases and liability decreases. Then asset side is 5,30,000, liability plus equity also 5,30,000. Dear student, I hope all of you understand. If you have any confusion later on, you should discuss with